Hello students, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to learn our next topic, that is from Unit 2 in your English Bal Bharati book, lesson number 11, Be a Good Speaker. Now in this we are going to learn three things. That for being a good speaker we have to remember few of the things. Secondly, we have whenever we are taking part in a group discussion, what are the points that we have to remember. And thirdly, whenever we are going to give a speech, what we should do before that. So let us start with the lesson. Some people are good speaker, some are shy. Here it means some of the people they are very good in speaking, but some people are very much shy. Some speak easily with their friends and relatives, but become nervous in front of a big audience. This means some people they speak very easily and very fluently with their friends and relatives, but while facing a big audience, they become nervous. Now, what about you? How you people are? A good speaker or a nervous or shy type? So, let us know more about it. It is important to be able to speak well. Now, it is very important that whatever we speak, it should be well mannered. And if you make up your mind, it is not very difficult to do so. And if you want to speak very well and you think that yes, I can do this and I can speak and I can say my thoughts and ideas to the world or anyone else, it is not difficult. Okay, so we have to remember some of the things that I will speak now. The first is speak clearly. Whenever we are trying to speak, we should speak very clearly so that the person with whom we are speaking or the audience we are facing, they should come to know that what we are trying to tell. We don't have to mumble in front of them. That means we don't have to repeat anything at the time of speaking or giving your ideas. Do not get nervous. Second, look at the person when you talk to them. Whenever we are talking to someone, we should look at them. We should face that person and we have to talk clearly. Third thing, you should not be too fast, too slow, too loud, or too soft. Whenever we are trying to speak, we should never be too fast in speaking. Because if we speak too fast, the person may not understand what we are trying to say. And if we speak too slow, maybe the person who is listening to us, he will get bored, he or she. If we are speaking too loud, the person will get annoyed about it. If we are speaking too soft, so the person is not going to hear what we are trying to speak. So you have to be in a proper voice. Your voice should be in a proper tone, I can say, that people should come to know what you are trying to say. Your expression, they should be aware of your expression as well. Now, fourth is be polite and be pleasant. This means whenever you speak, you should speak very politely, and whatever you speak, it should be, the front person should say, yeah, it is very pleasant. Next is give a thought to the other person's feeling and interest. Also, you have to give thoughts to the other person's feeling and about their interest as well. Now, our second topic here is when you take part in a discussion. Now, here, what are the points that we have to remember at this time is, first of all, do not keep talking all the time, let others speak. This means in a group discussion, you cannot talk all the time. You have to let others also speak and give their ideas. Second, show interest in what others say and listen carefully. You have to show interest in what they are in other also, that what they are trying to tell us and say us, and we have to listen them very carefully. Next is, when you agree with others like their ideas, do tell them. Whenever you feel like that, yes, this person is telling correct, his idea is very innovative and all, you should tell them. Do share your own thoughts and idea with others. In a group discussion, you have to share your own ideas and your own thoughts with others. Next point, if you do not understand something, ask for an explanation politely. This means if you are not able to understand anything, you have to ask in a very polite manner that, sir, madam, can you please repeat it? I didn't understand. It should be very politely, not in a harsh, I didn't understood. Repeat it again. Your tone should be very politely. Next, use polite word and expressions when you want to interrupt someone, when you disagree with someone, or when you seek explanation, give them. This means whenever we are interrupting someone, we should use polite words like please, please, and your expressions should be so loud, means the person who is in front listening to you, he should get convinced, yeah, I guess he didn't understand or she didn't understand. So you should be using very polite words at that time. So these were the points that you have to remember when you take part in a discussion. Now next, when you want to give a speech. Now not at the time, I can say, before giving a speech, what we do, we prepare our speech, we learn it, we by heart it, whatever we want to do. So here same thing is given. First of all, we have to plan our speech in advance. Whatever speech we are going to give, we have to pre-plan it. Second, we have to note down the points and arrange them properly. We have to note all the points that we are going to use in our speech and we have to arrange it properly. Third is, rehearse the speech in your mind and go ahead. This means before going to give a speech, you have to remember, you have to rehearse it in your mind, so that while at the time of speech you don't get confused and you don't get mumble and you can speak very clearly. So hope you all understood this lesson and you like it. So if you like it, so give a thumbs up and please do share to your friends as well and subscribe my channel. Thank you.